Happy Saturday. I forgot to film yesterday, but we just took the boys, well, I just took the boys to McAllen to cut their hair. And then I stopped at Ross because my mom had told me that they had like good athletic wear. And I ended up buying 2 leggings. So we'll do a little haul when we get back home. But right now we're just gonna go to school because Flako needs to check his computers. Y pues me lo voy a pegar porque I wanna go see my friends. So I'm gonna go with him.
What the hell?
Let me look for my name.
Ah, ya tengo unos.
Me lo voy a llevar.
I'm
What are you, a doctor?
gonna
Give me a shot. Okay. Oh, ow. You're the cutest little doctor. And we out. No, I'm mad at you. Finally picked up my little order. I was supposed to come Monday. I got my lightsaber. Do y'all know who the white one belongs to? And then my Roma ISD one. I think I might order another one of this one with just the gladiator right here. So here's my white lightsaber. Ahsoka Tano, for those of you that don't know. She has 2, but what was I gonna do with 2 white pens? So I just got 1. And then this one's black glitter with my name on it. Super pretty.
And it just fought out. I don't know why. Damn. I got stuck.
Where? Which one?
This one.
Let me see you.
Mommy, I'm so tiny. Mommy.
Yo, just randomly comes and he's like, oh, my tooth fell out.
Mommy. Then go wash it. Mommy.
What?
I'm flat.
You're full?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, so right now what I want to do is just, I'm trying to see if I'm in focus. Is just show you guys what I bought at Ross yesterday. Gio wants to show you all his little doctor. So it's like a little ambulance, and then when you open it, it's like a little doctor kit. Oh, it has like, where's the other thingy that's here? Where's the blue one? It's on the table. So it has like the little thermometer, a little shot. It's so cute. And then he just carries it with him. And he told me that he needs the white coat. So I don't know where I'm going to find one. I'll check if there's one on Amazon. But he's just carrying it around. I'll show you. Which one? Up here?
No.
Down here?
Mm-hmm.
He lost it too.
I'm getting
And Thiago bought like some dinosaurs. I don't know. He bought some things. So I ended up buying some frames for my office. Let me move back a little bit. Just because the ones that I have right now are like super mismatched. So I wanted some that were like similar but not the same.
Mommy.
So I got this 8x10.
Mommy, open it. Thanks.
I got this 8x10 frame. It was $7.99. So in this one, I'm going to put a family picture. And then I got this one's a 4x6. It's from the same brand, I think, as that one. And this one was $5, $4.99. The glare. And then I think in that one, I'm going to put a picture of me and Flako. And then this one, I got to put a picture of the boys. And this one's a 5x7 and it was $5.99, so $6. So they were 5, 6, and then the 8x10 was 8. And obviously they had like some cheaper ones, but I really wanted this like wood boho farm rustic design. So I got those 2. And then I got some leggings. These were $8.99 from the brand Rag. I don't know. But all my leggings that I bought for work, they're like mostly all black. So these are just, thanks Gio. So these are just all black. And then On the bottom of the cap, they just have this little mesh. And then these are a little out there, so I don't know. More than likely, I'll just wear these with a black shirt. But I tried them on and they looked okay. They like camouflaged all my lumps and bumps. But these are from the brand BSP. I don't know. BSP. And these are just like this celestial. And then it has this mesh, but they're not see-through. So the top mesh, let me see. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is. It's like a little see-through mesh, but again, they're like in the bottom of your calf. It has one there, and then it has one like on the ankle. So those are nice. And then we got snacks. Thiago and I love these thingies, so he wanted some, and then I ended up buying a pack for myself to have there in my office in case I get hungry. So one's for the house and one's for my office, and then I brought these for Flako. These were $3.49. He really likes this brand. It's their protein cookies. They have like these giant protein cookies, and he buys them. And I saw these there where you like check out where they usually put like the snacks and stuff. So I brought them for him, and these are just crunchy cookies. It just says the complete crunchy cookie, and it's double chocolate. So I got him these. He's gonna try them out. I think that's all I bought over there. Yeah. So that's all I bought at Ross. And then I had an Amazon pack, not an Amazon, an Etsy package, and I'm pretty sure I already know what it is.
And also trying to open it.
I don't know if you guys remember the cup that Flako bought me for Mother's Day, the white one from the office.
The mug.
Well, I got the people he ordered it from because I wanted more.
The mug.
And they have so many badass designs.
The mug.
They had Mean Girls. Yes, baby. They had Mean Girls, Schitt's Creek, Big Bang, The Office, Gossip Girl. What else? Harry Potter. But I already have like several Harry Potter Harry Potter cups. So I was like, no. What else? They had Grey's Anatomy. They had several. So I'm very particular. I really like Gossip Girl. That's like one of my top shows. But the Gossip Girl cup had a lot of like pictures of the actual actors, as opposed to The Office that it was mostly just like cartoons. So I didn't like it. But the Grey's Anatomy cup, you guys, I love it so much. I only have one other Grey's cup, so I was like, okay, I'm fine getting another one. But I don't know if you guys can see, like this one has pictures of the actors, but they're not like actual pictures of them. They're like the little cartoons. So I ended up getting this one, and these cups are amazing. I wish you all can see like everything it says. Like it has a whole bunch of quotes, and I got the glitter one. Let me show you the bottom so you can see the glitter. You see the glitter? Let me see. The name of the seller is, let's see, it says hand wash only. Do not drop. I dropped my office one. I was so sad because the acrylic, these shatter really easily, and it didn't shatter, but there's a crack. But if you touch it, there is no crack. So the crack, I guess, happened like through the inside of the acrylic. It's really weird. But this is let me show you all the cards. This is the company the seller. Gio. It's Star, Stripes, and Chaos Vinyl Designs. Let me see if I can. There. Can you guys see it there? Star, Stripes, and Chaos.
Star, Stripes, and Chaos.
So now I have an Office cup and a Grey's Anatomy cup, and I'm obsessed.
And I want a Big Man cup.
And then it comes with the straw too. They are a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but guys, this takes like a lot of time to make. Coming from someone that likes to craft and stuff, like this is a lot of work. So I totally understand the price. And what's awesome about Etsy is that I think they have Afterpay, so you can pay in payments. I love it.
Guys,
Oh, they have the picture of George when the nurses are having the strike and he walks in and says, proud to be a nurse.
guys, how does this rain?
Because it's what Jesus would freaking do.
Freaking so! It is raining. It's super cloudy outside. Mommy, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
Derek when he's playing Princess Tea Party with Zola. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It's a really good company, you guys. Y'all should check it out. She even has all my Twilight posters. I'm not keeping those. And then this is a Twilight quote too. Qué vergüenza con mi vida. I just got back from Dollar Tree. I went to go buy some snacks because I wanted to watch a movie later today. But I ended up buying like little decor for my office. So I got this for Halloween. And then I got 2 of these. I don't want to like obviously overly decorate. So I just got these 2 little books because they're very like witchy. So like this one says curses and hexes, and this one says potions and poisons. And then this one says wicked. So I'm thinking of putting this and then with the little books in front. So I got that for October. And then for right now, for like fall, I got this one. Thiago chose it. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then I got 2 of these little pumpkins. So I'm going to put 1 on each side. It's super cute, right? So this I'm actually going to take with me on Monday. This I'm going to keep here at home because it's going to take up space. And then I wanted some of these in white because sometimes they have white, but they only had blue this time. So I'm like, whatever, I'll take the blue. But just so that I could organize my desk. So I got, this pack comes with 3 of the long ones. This one comes with 3 of those small ones. And then 2 of the big ones. This one might be too big, but these are a good size. So I got that. And then I just bought like a bunch of Ziploc bags. I think that's all I bought that's like for school. Yeah. And then I bought a bunch of my pink drinks. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some shirts for me. Oh, and then I bought something for Thiago. Let me show it to you all. He found it and he really wanted it to keep his pencils. So it's like a little tin pencil case. So he really wanted this, and I'm just gonna cut his name right now on my Cricut. And I'm going to put it on, and he's going to put his pencils in here in his backpack. It's so pretty. Remember? Cool. So he's going to put his pencils in there. My mom got them these styluses. They're at Dollar Tree the other day. So this one looks like a pencil. And then they also have one that looks like a blue crayon. It's over there. What else am I going to do? So right now I'm also going to do some shirts for work. I really don't like using my Cricut, like... Take it out, put it away, take it out, put it away. Look, Gio has the blue crayon. Lend it to me. It was a 2-pack of the little pencil and then the blue crayon. It's their little stylus.
Mommy, one.
So right now, I'm gonna do everything. This is Thiago's, Gio. Here. Right now, I'm gonna do everything I need to do with my Cricut. So, like, my friend just had a baby, so I'm gonna do the vinyl for her onesies that I bought her. I'm gonna do the shirts that I want for myself. I'm gonna print out the label for Dale's little pencil case. And I got 2 little apple orders. Those little apples that I was making, like little pencil holders. So I need to print out the names for those as well. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, yep, Flako's waiting here to speak to me. We're gonna watch What If. I didn't see the first episode, but Flako already saw it, so I'm just gonna watch the second one with him. They'll abandon us. He went to go sleep at my mom's. And Gio fell asleep on the couch. He fell asleep. He basically abandoned us too. Happy Sunday, guys. Right now, I'm just gonna haul ass to see if Tamales and Salsa still has tamales, because I want some tamales really bad.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna... Okay, sorry, I was buckling in Gio, but yeah, I want some tamales, and then I'll call my mom to see if Thiago is ready, and then I'll go pick him up. But first, I'm going to check on the tamales and clip my hair because it looks crazy. Tamales and Salsas was closed, but Puerto was open. The boys don't really eat this, so this is basically just for me and Flako. I ordered this for Thiago's teacher from Sulman, because I'm planning on giving her this with the little Germex or little antibacterial, and she had a little surprise for me.
No.
Tiny juice. Let me see the notes. Let me read it. Aw, it says, have fun forming the puzzle, then enjoy with some coffee. Best wishes for this school year. Oh, that's
That's your
I'm gonna keep
cookies.
This. Let's see.
Look at cookies. And I'm alright. Cookies.
Oh my god. Welcome back to the grind.
Here's a little puzzle, huh? Little puzzle.
Hazelnut. How cute. Why is this the cutest thing in the world? It's a little coffee cup. Finally, after 50 years, I repotted them. So I ended up putting the fern down here. I think it's a Chinese fern, or no, this is a Chinese evergreen. I put that one here, and then down there the fern. The snake plant that I had there brought it. And then this one's been thriving so much. That one I was supposed to take to my office, but I think I'm just gonna leave it here. I think they look nice here. We also already put out some of our fall decor. I just bought that at Walmart today. It looks cute. Time to do some multitasking. While I cook dinner, I'm gonna work on Thiago's back to school board. And it looks so cute. Now I'm just gonna make myself a shirt for tomorrow. I want to wear jeans since it's the first day, and I don't think the kids are gonna be doing anything tomorrow. Not like not doing anything, but I mean like I'm not gonna give them a workout or anything like that tomorrow. So I want to wear like this shirt with jeans, but I don't know whether to put it on gray or black. Yes, Gio.
She gets fucking balls.
No, you need to go lay down and go to sleep already.
You sit down. And together.